Hi everyone, Alex here and welcome to today's video where we'll be doing tendus from 1st and 5th. It's the first tendu exercise to follow pliés in class, so it'll be nice and slow and all about warming up the lower part of the legs and squeezing the turn out and introducing 5th position. Make sure you did the plié and the warm-up exercise that came beforehand, and give a quick read of our disclaimer, and always be sure to be in comfortable clothing at all times. Okay, so you're going to start in first with the arm in bras bar, little preparation if you want, and we'll have metatarsal, 2, 3 and 4. Then a bit quicker, flick the toes, 7 and 8. Tendu en croix in first, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one goes to 5th. Again, en croix. 4, 5, 6, 7, back to first, plie roll through, 3, 4, little balance, 5, 6, change round to your other side. Okay, nice and slow, really focusing on using the floor, massaging the floor with your foot, going through that demi-point, and on the little pushes, using that first one to really articulate, and then bang, push off. Already really preparing for those jumps when we eventually can get back to studios. Okay, let's go. Thank you guys very much for joining me today, and I'll see you on one of our next videos. Okay, bye!